To use McDonald's app pickup in 2025, start by downloading and installing the McDonald's app on your smartphone. Once installed, create an account or log in if you already have one. The home screen will display various options including deals, menu, and locations. Tap on the Order Now button to begin your pickup order. You will be prompted to select your location. Choose the restaurant you want to pick up from, and then browse the menu to add items to your cart. As you add items to your cart, you can customize them according to your preferences. When you have finished adding items, proceed to checkout. Review your order summary, apply any promo codes if available, and select your preferred payment method. After completing the payment, you will be asked to choose a pickup time. Select a time that is convenient for you and tap Confirm. You will receive a confirmation of your order and the estimated time of preparation. When you arrive at the restaurant, go to the designated pickup area and let the staff know your name and order number. They will then hand over your order. Make sure to check your order for accuracy before leaving the restaurant. For a seamless pickup experience, ensure you arrive at the designated pickup time and have your order number ready. If you encounter any issues with your order, you can contact the restaurant directly or use the in-app support feature. Using the McDonald's app for pickup is a convenient way to get your favorite food quickly and efficiently. By following these steps, you can enjoy a hassle-free experience and get the most out of the app.